Now, what is the age of Brahmaji? Brahmaji is 1 day. Rajoguna Brahma's 1 day is equivalent to 1000 Chaturgunas, and the night is also of the same duration. How many years does one Chaturyug of human comprise of? One Chaturyug has 4.32 million years. In this manner, Brahmaji's 1 day comprises of 1000 Chaturyugas. Night is also of same duration. A month comprises of 30 days. 1 year comprises of 12 months. Brahmaji's age is 100 years. Satgun Vishnuji's age is 7 times more than him, and Tamgun Shivji's age is 7 times more than Vishnuji's. Such a long age it is. Then Durga ji wanted to get all these 3 sons married. That Kal Brahm Sharpurush made an ether announcement. Durga sent these 3 children for churning the cosmic ocean again, and there, to get them married, you make 3 other forms of yourself and come out in form of 3 girls. Now Sri Devi made 3 forms secretly and hid them in the cosmic ocean. On the other hand, she told all the 3 sons to go and churn the cosmic ocean. On the other side, this devil made all arrangements. When they went and churned the cosmic ocean for the second time, 3 girls came out. Now mother said that, remember, who comes out first? The one who comes out second, and then the one who comes out third. So all the 3 maid arranged them in an order and brought them to mother. Durga asked which one came out first. They replied, this one. She was named Savitri and told Brahma that she will be your wife. The second was told she will be called Lakshmi, and she was married to Vishnuji. The third one was told your name will be Uma, and she will be married to Shivji. Now from here, in this one universe, Kal's creation began. This Kshar Purusha's family started. From here, demigods and demons were born, and pious souls, the churning of cosmic ocean. We hear about that 14 precious stones had come out. Lord Shiva had consumed the poison. These happened after a very long time. So earlier in this way, the churning of ocean had taken place. It is not mentioned in these Vedas and Puranas. It is mentioned in Sukshma Ved, the 5th Ved. So pious souls, this is that creation of nature which is mentioned in the 5th Ved in Sukshma Ved. Now we did not know about the 5th Ved. Adi Shankaracharya has mentioned about that 5th Ved, about Sukshma Ved, in a book written by him, and he has mentioned about it in the book he wrote. We will show you later.